What's cracking, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy sooo here, back at you guys again with another video. This video is going to be mainly working on the Mazda today. I'm doing some maintenance. Car is due for an oil change, Oil's black as shit. I've been driving the shit out of it, mainly because I'm breaking in the clutch. As y'all seen in the last video, if you guys haven't watched it already, I'll clip some of the stuff here. Put an update on the Mazda for you guys since I've been, on the trucks lately in the desert. Pretty much, I'm waiting on the PCV plate because I blew the stock one out currently. So I'm just leaking fluids down. I got a new set of injector seals because the old ones blew out, so I have a new set of that. So those got to go in. I'm gonna clean the valves while we're in there. But yeah, as y'all seen, my injector seals are leaking again somehow, some way. I don't know. Also need a PCV plate that blew out as well. I need to retune because this car keeps breaking up while under load. But if you were to lean into boost, like gradually lean into it, the car will boost correctly. But today I'm gonna be diving into that, trying to see if I have a leak or whatnot. But I need this oil changed as well because I've been running the car, breaking in the clutch. It's time. So I'm also scared to drain the catch can. I don't know what's gonna come out of that. Hopefully it's not chocolate milk. Hopefully it's just black. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the car. Oh, on top of that note, your boy's gonna be trying to attend a canyon cruise. So that's why I'm trying to get the car ready today. But let's see how today goes. Let's jump into today's video. So let's get to it. Yeah. You're sleeping, guys. Alright guys, so first things first, as soon as I put the car in the lift, before I even started filming, I have noticed, I think, maybe a possible leak. Y'all see the high pressure fuel pump line, the hard line. A little bit of residue there. I don't know though. Not good, I'd imagine. Let's go ahead and drain this oil out. My cameraman, show the people my failure on this. So the washer on the drain bolt was failing, so I tried to get one from Ace, and that one's failing too. Is that a problem? Ben 10. I need you. There's a little fancy little motor mount here. Look at this, man. This is the only time you ever get to see this part here. Not bad. Next up for this car is a compression test again. Fucking shavings full? Nah, no shavings. Healthy as a fucking mug. Don't match, I'll be pissed. That's what dogs are tweak.
Yeah, you want to get that? Yeah.
What? Y'all like, she beating your ass. She beating your ass.
Wrong person.
Get sick. She biting. She biting. The trans is still clean, so I mean, that's a good sign. Mosey on back over here. We still got some wet catch can lines. Got some drip here on the filter. I don't know where this is coming from. Not good though. Kind of why this is the first filter I bought at AutoZone. The guy found the Mazda 3 model. This is the part number. Now you know. STP for the win.
Dude, it wouldn't focus.
No, another one?
Part number. STP for the win. Alright guys. Your boy's a savage. Look how I've been running this shit. 3 lugs. It's a 3-lug car.
What did he say?
3-lug car. Go on. Need the other 2. It's
If you see him on the road, just watch out.
3-lug car. Let's count. Alright guys, me and Mr. Speed here. Y'all seen other videos, Mr. Speed. Yeah, it's fun. Let me show on. We literally just found, I think, my boosting problem. Let me show you. So, I may not be the smartest guy in the world, but this is my 3-port, my boost controller, and it's mounted on the side of the battery box. And we were looking here, and he just happened to look at this, and look at the wires here on this boost controller, guys. I don't know. Could be my problem, could not be my problem. Let's see. Are we gonna boost again, Sean? We need to boost.
Hopefully at the correct levels this time. They're not maximum boost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So oil change is done. The doctor is coming to bring me another boost controller. So we're gonna swap this out and see if it fixes the little boost cutting issues. So, but yeah, car's pretty much done. I'm just waiting for him to get here. The man himself. Hey, bro, this is an expensive build right here, G. I got 2 Mazda hotheads on this bitch right now.
You're paying the bill.
Now I'm panicking.
The people know, right?
Check yet?
Nah, I'm still waiting for it.
Oh, okay. I got mine yesterday. I think
Yeah.
this is coming.
Nah, he got his. He be playing, bro. He wants the tips and all, G. I want the sauce, man. All right, guys. So the new boost controller is in. I went and did some passes. The car feels 10 times better. All right, it is the next day, guys. What's cracking? As y'all can tell, the weather is not cooperating with us today. Getting ready to go to this cruise. As I mentioned before in the video, it's a little canyon cruise that I've seen. So we're gonna try it out. Be the first cruise I've done with this car, the Mazda. I mean, it'd be something different other than, you know, just a car maybe park and chill. Something different, you know. So I'm gonna throw this 360 camera on the back of the car. So we're gonna see what kind of shots we can get. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna start getting this car ready, get all warmed up, and we're gonna head out. So. We made it, Starbucks in hand. But we had to do some quick shopping at Walmart. Organic and bakery. Let's go check out some cars though. It is like -3 degrees Celsius outside. But on a good note, the rain is holding off a little bit. So trying to get Shogun to bring the MR2 so it'll slip and slide out. I think we're leaving in like 30 minutes, but we got here with like 20 minutes to spare, so. Yazza, yazza. Gotta set up the 360 cam and we'll be on our way.
Hey, you want to show water spots?
I don't know. You guys will see. Hopefully not. But it shouldn't though. If we're going, you know, fast enough, fish to just come right off. Yazza. Well, it is starting to drain a little bit, so we have doing the white flag and came back in the car. So I think we should be leaving in like 10 minutes or so. Aggressive as fuck. My boy about to waste all his gas two-stepping. That was fucking sick. Made it to the top. Ain't no one sliding around the tree though. Scared. Yeah, fool, it's like -3. I was not lying. Someone slide around the fucking tree. Now, hell no, if it was literally potholes. No, I'm just kidding. Man, look at this. Your boys are lacking with the Toyota Camrys, G. I did not expect to be up here in this weather, but look at the Mazda out there poached up. Zoom in on her. I'm so lonely. Damn, we got the chest mount. He must have been moving. He wants him to slide it. He wants him to slide it. Look at that fucking hole in the ground. God, fucking bend taco the rim. On the vet, that lineup, the pair. Shh. Fire. Sick with it. Sick with it. Oh my god. We're getting frostbite falling over. Look at homie's up next to Corolla, about to slide it. Grab the handbrake, Chief. We're playing. Dude, he's still going. Oh, what the fuck? He said I got spare tires in the trunk. Cool stuff. Alright, let's get the fuck out of this cold. Alrighty guys, that pretty much wrapped this video up. As you can see, we're in dead stop freaking traffic, eh? And we're not going anywhere, so I'm gonna end this video right here. I will catch you on the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your mama's friends, tell your aunties, tell everybody. Come subscribe to the channel. Anyways, I'm out. Catch y'all later.
I mean that shit. I'm with that bitch. Right now I hit that bitch. Old friends like how you get that lit. Same old me, but they think I switch. Fuck old friends, I don't know that bitch. Racks too big, can't fuck that shit.
Don't call that little ass place no estate. Unless you came with a pool in the day. Take the rib before I pull in the gate. All my watches flooded just like a lake. Lately I've been showing up extra late. Rich nigga take her on a cheap date. 4 for 4 when he's get her a plate. Love when these nuts all up in her face. She say wow, never met a nigga with dick in her house. Spitting them out, dick in her house.